Hi there. Did you have problems with our tongue twisters from Sunday? I wish to wish the wish which wishes. Well, wish and which are two words that have similar sounds, but the sh is different from the ch. ch. The difference between the sh and the ch, ch, ch is the beginning of the sound. And we have lots of words with these two different sounds like share and chair. So it's important to be careful with the pronunciation. And don't think that every word that has a CH has a ch sound. That's not true. And these are the words you have to be more careful about, like the words chef, Chicago, machine, and parachute. Do you know other words that have the sh and ch sound? Why don't we make a list? You can help us here. Write some combinations of words, one with sh and the other one with ch, like cheese and cheese. Cheese? Yeah, you can use a contraction. She's happy today. Cheese. She's happy. And cheese. I love to eat cheese. See you guys later.